Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you a small trick on how to get the correct positioning of some objects. Let me see, I just need to get that there. And need my drive, hang on. And there. I open it a bit fast. Anyway, let me see. I got the picture here now. So my idea is I want to model these small nudges here into my Fusion 360 model. I have made the chamfer side here, but I need the exact position on the top that it intersects and need the exact position at the bottom that it intersects. So that is the goal today. And this is the, let me see, I think I need to go even further back. Hang on. There, so this is the page. This is the face I need to adjust these models to. So the best way to find the exact point to place these is by using construction planes, because you can use construction planes to essentially cut a face. And what I found out is that it doesn't actually separate the face into several models, but it does cut it. So I have two construction planes here. Both of them are aligned in the exact same height, so they would make the nudges. So what I do is first I make a copy of the original, because I don't want to do anything to the original. So I'll hide that. I think that was the one. Let's see, I just need to find the correct, so that there is nothing. Okay, so show hide, and then why is it showing the ring? I just need to go a few steps back, people. Wait a second. Okay, so that is the inner surface. I'm gonna take a copy of that. Copy, and I paste it into the same place, and just press OK, and then I'll hide all the other bodies, otherwise I will cut the wrong one. There, so that is the one that is on the inside that I want to cut, or cut, yeah. So what I do is I select this, and I go to the face tab, and then I go to modify, and then I'll say split face, and then I remove the selection of the face itself. Actually, it was wrongly selected the first time, so select the face to split is this one, and then select the splitting tools would be the two construction planes, and I press OK. Then you get it like this. Now if you notice, the copy I had is still showing as just one object, but if I select this one, it only selects that one, and it's still the same object. You can see it's marked it as that being the object of identity, and the same with that one, and the same with that one. Now my original goal would be to project these two lines, and because I split the object now, I can do that even though it's not actually separated into several objects. So what I do is I go first into the first one, which will be the layer here, and then I create a sketch on that. And then I mark that line and select P for project and OK. Finish that sketch. Then I go to the next one, create sketch, and then I mark that one and take project. OK, finish sketch. And now if I hide this body, you can see I have managed to project onto a sketch the exact interface points where the top edge of the nudge will be and the bottom edge of the nudge will be. So basically you can then enter any of these, and then you can set Fusion 360 to be in 3D. I'll just finish it and go in again, edit sketch, and then I can say OK. I can do it like this, and I can take make a line from here. Let me see, L from here and 90 degrees hang on. I'll go out of second to one to sketch, edit, sketch, and then I'll just make a line here. It's easier once you have exact points to work with, so I'll just make that into a construction, finish, and then I'll edit this as well, edit L, X, there. Finish sketch. Jag kommer! And then I go back in, edit, sketch, change it to 3D. Edit. The reason I go back out and in again is to be able to better work in the 3D space. Now I have 2 points here. I can select from one point to another. Okay, so now you can see I have made a line between those, and I can do the same here, for instance, and then I can extrude or do a loft between those two, and voila, I have the nudge I need in the exact perfect position where it should be. I hope that helped you guys, and thanks for watching, and I hope you can like and subscribe to my channel. See you!